Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the microphone input volume in Discord on a PC in Windows. This will change the volume within Discord and won't affect any other apps on your PC. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change mic volume in Discord, open the app and then click on the cog icon next to your name in the bottom left to open the settings. Within the settings, click on the option called Voice and Video, and then look in the voice settings at the top for the slider called Input Volume. All you need to do is drag the slider to the left or right to change the mic volume, and you can test your microphone below this. Below this section, you can change the input sensitivity manually by turning off the option called Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity. Use the slider to change this. If your mic is too quiet even when turned up to full, then click the card to watch another video of mine that will help boost your microphone volume on your PC. That's how to change the microphone input volume in Discord on a PC in Windows. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.